Welcome to Education Rocks, kindergarten to grade 6 student learning activities.
Reduce hours of prep? Students not at grade level? Nonverbal or speech delayed students? Emergency subplans? New grade or split grade? Teach all ELA and math outcomes every day? Personalize student vocabulary lists, dictionaries, and math skills practice? TpT Easel activities and assessments? Yes!
Education Rocks is a ready-to-use, no-prep ELA and Math 180-day student learning program that spans the entire curriculum and is completely editable. Subscribe on my website or at the end of the video to receive free resources you can try in your classroom today. This bundle is 45 days of student learning activities that span the entire ELA curriculum every day. Embedded digital reading books and age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Vocabulary words and letter sounds are hyperlinked for visual and auditory practice. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of third grade ELA full curriculum looks like. Reading strategies, such as predicting and inferring. Reading comprehension, such as background knowledge, past, present, future story settings, connecting world ideas, and retelling. Reading comprehension, such as identifying fiction and nonfiction, genre, subforms, personal preferences, text features, and reading fluency. Story elements, such as plot, characters, setting, indigenous storytelling, sensory effects, and verbal and nonverbal communication. Understandings and opinions, personal narration, word recognition, and reading fluency. Figurative language and word morphology. Decoding strategies and multisyllabic words. Tier 2 vocabulary and pre-writing questions. Writing an outline. Writing an outline, citation of source, and text features. Organizational and revisional writing. Final draft writing. Descriptive sentences and proofreading. There are 7 third-grade ELA units. This one is the word work unit plan, or vocabulary and language. Units are excellent for morning work, targeted independent practice, and/or assessments. Figurative language, such as synonyms, antonyms, homophones, and homographs. Word morphology. Decoding strategies, such as long and short vowels, vowel pairs, consonant pairs, prefixes and suffixes, clusters, digraphs, and diphthongs. Tier 2 vocabulary. Decoding strategies, such as multisyllabic unknown words. Access to 4,000 audio-visual decoding, segmenting, and spelling videos on my YouTube channel at Education Rocks INC. Create your own or purchase the completed resource. For independent daily practice. Share a Google slide copy with each student and delete and/or add words as you assess their word recognition skills. This bundle is 90 days of student learning activities that span the entire math curriculum every day. Embedded age-appropriate instructional videos are included on every page. Concise student learning outcomes are easy to read, refer to, and implement. Here is what one day of third grade math full curriculum looks like. Ordering and comparing numbers, and equalities and inequalities. Place value with money and multiplication and division compositions. Decompose multiplication and division, and identify unit fractions. Equalities and inequalities, and measuring attributes. Geometric orientations and measuring length. Estimating length, geometric properties such as angles, and comparing numbers. Telling time and time elapsed. Data and visuals. Financial mathematics with money habits. There are 18 third-grade math units. This one is the fractions unit plan. Units are excellent for morning work or targeted independent practice. Symbolic fractions, numeric fractions, and relate and compare fractions. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Excellent user-friendly format for both teacher and student. Editable. over 200 digitally compatible Easel by TpT activities, and all are printable for traditional learning. Emergency subplans. We all need them. I've combined both ELA plus math into a 10-day full curriculum lesson plan that is a ready-to-use package for your substitute teacher. Want to save money? Here is the mega bundle for ELA. Get all ELA unit plans for any grade level at 50% off the individual unit plan price. Want to save even more money? Here is the mega bundle for math. Get all math unit plans for any grade level at 75% off the individual unit plan price. Shop at your favorite teacher resource store. Subscribe using the URL below to receive my entire store of free resources. Reach out at hello@educationrocks.ca.